Hello everyone, we already created our partners section and now in this video I will demonstrate how to create about section. So after the partners section I will add another group. Here I will add a group. Let's rename the group name about us section, and then I will add a class name Jarid about us section. Inside this I will add another group that will work as main group. I'll make it to wide width and add a class. I will add the class name as Jarid about us main, and then inside the group I will add a column block. So I will select this 50-50 column block. So this will divided our main section into two parts. In the left side I will add the image, and right side I will add the content. But you can see I cannot scroll properly to the bottom, so I will add a spacer block here. Let's add height of 300 pixels so we can easily scroll to bottom and see our section easily. And in the first column I will add our content, which is an image. So I will add an image block here. Before that, let's add 4 ram of padding so we get enough space on our image. And in the first column I will add another group block, and inside that I will add our image. This is our about us image, so I will select this one. After that I will work on the second group. In the second column I will add another group that will hold all our contents. Inside the group I will add a paragraph block and add the text about our company, and then I will change the text color to ocean blue. From the typography I will select lettercase to make the text uppercase. Then I will add the heading block and add the text we copied earlier, and then I will add another paragraph block where I will add the description. After that you can see some lists that we will create with row blocks. So before I add our row block I will create another group, and inside that I will add our first row. In the row block I will add an image block and add our arrow icon, and then from the image width I will add 24 pixel as image width, and then I will copy the text of list item, and then I will just paste it. So our first list item is ready. Then I will just duplicate these rows few times and replace all the text with original list item texts. So after that we will add a button and add the text about us. So all our elements are added. So we need to add some block gap on these elements. So by selecting the main group, I will increase the block spacing. If I hit save and check on the front end, you will see our contents are ready, and we will just modify the styles for different devices and in desktop as well. So I will just target the row block first because we need some gap on list item and arrow. So I selected all the rows and increase the block spacing altogether. So this will change the gap for our lists. So you can see it's exactly looking like our demo. Now I will work on responsive features. So in a 1024 pixel media device, you can see there is no gap between elements. So I will just target the main column and here I will add a class. Let's add class name Jarid about us content, and here by targeting that class I will add gap of 2 rem. This will increase the gap between items. Let's copy the role and add on our style sheet. I will add a comment first and then I will paste that code. In the 768 pixel, I will add 2 rem of padding in the Jarid about us content class. Heading is here quite large, so I will add a class Jarid about us heading, and by targeting that class, I will uh, change the font size for heading. Let's change font size to 2.5 rem, and this is looking good. So I will add this on our style sheet again. You can see we have a variable for 2.5 rem, so we can just replace with that variable. So about us section is ready for all devices. I forgot to add gap between image and content, but you can add gap on this, so this will look on all devices perfectly. Thanks for watching.